We are a specialized wholesale company selling electrical wiring and electrical engineering products. Elektrobalt is part of the Würth Group. We value mutual trust and honesty, so our company policy is based on German quality of service and approach towards the clients and employees. More than 7,000 specialists are our clients. It is companies working in the energy, electrical, communications, and automatic panel installation industries, as well as private professionals. We offer only top-quality electrical products and a vast assortment. We have more than 500 products from Europe's best-known manufacturers, which can also be ordered in our online shop. Products are delivered throughout Lithuania and can be picked up at all sales offices. Our 6 sales offices are located in the biggest cities of Lithuania: Vilnius, Kaunas, Kaipėda, Panevėžys, Šiauliai, Alytus, and in our logistics center in Jonava. We stock more than 5,000 products to meet the demand for quality goods and ensure a continuous supply. Elektrobalt is distinctive for its skilled and competent staff, who provide prompt and high-quality customer service. We have over 90 employees who work and spend their free time together. We provide our team with professional challenges, training and development opportunities. We are a company that cares about everyone, which means we can offer the highest quality and service.